Okay, so let's continue with the Revit 2024 sample plumbing project. And what I have, I'm down in the parking area, and what I want to do is, now one pipe, you can see these two pipes. There's a pipe on top and there's a pipe on the bottom. And what I'm doing is I'm gonna duplicate the pipe on the bottom. So we go out and we go out and okay, go here, let's go here. I'm gonna come back a little bit. Let's go back about right there. And I'm gonna continue following this pipe. Let's do this. Now, I don't know what it's doing after this. So I'm going to align it because it's under this pipe. Okay. So let's go to modify and align one pipe to the second pipe. And now what I need to do is look at that section. Okay. Let's look at the section. Let's bring it up. And I want to bring in, no, that's pretty good. That's tight enough. Okay. So section 2, right click, let's go to that view. Okay, and let's get a reference. It's gonna delete this. Let's get a reference, go back to water, highlight. Number 2, we are down here. So as you can see, the gray copper is the sample project, okay? So looks like, so if I turn that off, you see it goes off. So I'm gonna follow what the model has. Let's just go up, 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 and then I can align it after I get to where I need to go. But we can continue to see it's continuing to go up, 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 up. Let's go up, it's still going up. Wow. It's at level 5. Up, up, up. Okay, so now it's going over. And what I'm going to do is align one pipe. Well, let's just, I think I can align that. Let's turn off the selection here. Align one pipe to the second pipe. Okay. And let's, I'm gonna move this. Let's see, what level am I at? That is parking. So parking is low. These numbers are high, so I need to bring these numbers down, which means that I need to go, let's see, level 4. I know it's higher than that, so it's 24. And level 5. And it's in the ceiling space of level 5. So what's going on here? Like I need to reset. Okay. So there is a level 5 here in the architect's, that was in the architect's drawing. So what I need to do is duplicate. We're going to duplicate that level, and I'm going to put it in my plumbing category in my project browser. And to do that, I'm going to highlight it, go over to the right side of my properties palette, and change the discipline to plumbing, and change my sub-discipline to plumbing. Okay, so let's go down. This is our plumbing, level 5. So I'm gonna rename this. I'm gonna be lazy. Rename, Control C, copy, rename, level 5, Control V, call this level 5. You see how lazy? That's just lazy. Okay, so that's our level 5 water, and it looks a mess. So I'm gonna go to level 2 or level 4 water. Let's go to level 4 water, and I'm gonna create a visibility. It should be a part of a template somewhere. Let's go back to level 5, and if I can look at the view, visibility, graphics, or view template here, and apply template properties. Let's see if I have level 4. Let's see, level, that's all, nope, I don't see it. That's everything. So I'm gonna have to create a template. So let's go back to the section, this section 2, and I'm gonna highlight my pipe and go back to highlight, go back to level 5 water, and it should be highlighted somewhere. Or I need to just, okay, let's do something. Let's turn off all of the other models except the architect's model. And let's do this. Let's look at a view range. Let's go back to level 2. Let's look at the view range. It's R1. That's level 5. Let's look at this. I'm going to draw a detail line for level 5, and we're going to go all the way up 7 feet, 9 feet, and I'm going to say here. Let's look at see how high this. So it's 11'6", and water. Let's look at the. Let's do this. Architect's drawing. Let's clean it up just a little bit. What I can do is look at the architects by linked view and go, let's go 11.5. Let's go level 5. Let's go level 5. Let's go level 5. And custom view range is going to be done by host view. Linked view is going to be done by host view. And I'll be okay with that. And let's do this, level 5. Wow. So let's go back to the link view. Let's go custom annotation. I want a lot of that off, so I'm going to go to custom and select all, say none, and go back, type G for grid. So that's the only thing I want on at this moment. And let's say okay to that. Let's say okay, and let's see how much. Yeah, it's looking like something is happening. I'm gonna leave the rest of this until later. But for now, this is what I want. Let's change the scale. I like to make it a little bit more usable. Somewhere, I think it's here. Yeah, so there's our pipe. Okay. Wait a minute. Let's go to view range because it should be coming out. It should be a pipe going up and down or vertical in our orientation. Let's go view range. And yeah, see, it's too low. Level 5, level 5 water. I'll leave the water at 0. And level 5, I'll say 11, what was it, 6? Go 11.6. I'll say okay to that, and we should come up. We should have our pipe come out like that, okay? So, and in order to continue to duplicate our sample model, I'm going to turn on the plumbing because it's part of this project. And as you can see, this is the plumbing. This is the plumbing, and it looks like it's following this path. Okay, so let's do this. Let's go here, draw here. Gonna cut it short about right there and continue to look. So it's going here, and it's going there, and it's going to this bathroom. Okay, so I'm gonna align. Let's modify it and align. We got here and we got there. Let's go over and okay. So that's the water heater, shower, kitchen sink, the two lavatories. There's a water closet here, flush tank, and a washing machine. So at this point, at this point, this is where I'm gonna maybe get as close as possible. Well, I'm trying not to duplicate it too much, but put my own type of the way I would plumb it up, pipe it up. But let's see. So I know that I'm going to need a water heater here, and the rest of this is going to be. Let's see. Let's do this again. Plumbing. Okay. So they're coming down, supplying the water heater, and then they're going to. That's the shower. Oh, they have the shower in on that side. I'm going to have mine going in the back. There's okay, all the water is going around. It's going around. It's going to feed the two lavatories, hot and cold, hot water. Okay, the hot water going to the wash and dryer. There's the hot and cold water going to the wash and dryer, and there's the riser for the sanitary. And sanitary, that's the exhaust for the water heater. Okay, so it may be different, but we'll see. But anyway, that's the existing, and what I'm gonna need to do is put the plumbing fixtures in. Okay. So, my plumbing fixtures, the water heater should be here, and again, you can use your search bar. I'll just say wash. Let's see, wash. Maybe water heater. Yeah. Okay. So that's the tankless water heater. And can I drag that over? Nope. Sometimes you can, sometimes you can't drag them over. So if you can't, just highlight it and click the X in your search bar, and it should go right to that particular family. And I think some of the reasons why is who knows? I don't know why Revit does some. It brings in some of the plumbing fixtures, and some it does not do that with the search. So I'm going to bring that in. Tankless water heater. Where are we? What's going on here? Tankless water heater. So I'm going to have to fix that. I don't know why that's not coming in. Place on vertical. Place on vertical. I don't know why that's not coming in. Let me look at there's the flush tank. Let's go here and let's bring in water heater. I mean, flush tank, and these are the two lavatories. And let's go center lavatories here and here. If I have two, I like to duplicate it just because sometimes if I bring in the water heater and let's say it's sitting here, right, which is it's on a different it's on a different part of the wall, so I usually don't do that. If I need to, I'll bring in one and duplicate our copy. So I'll bring that over here. And kitchen sink. I have my kitchen sink. It looks like the lavatory, but there are different parameters. So I'm not into the aesthetics of everything, you know, looking exactly right, because all we're trying to do is collect data and pipe it out. So my shower, here's my shower here. If that's the opening, I'm gonna bring my shower and put it right there. Okay. Okay, and my washer and dryer, let's go, let's not use this one. I'm gonna delete this. Okay, and use the 24. Where is it? This one. Washer. Okay, and that's the one I want to use. Okay, so everything looks okay. I'm gonna need to, well, first let's finish. I want to finish. So what I usually do is wherever the architect has its plumbing fixtures, I try and put it in the same exact spot using the align tool. Okay, so align one with the second one. Let's do this again. Looks like it's right on there. Align 1, 2. Okay. Let's get this one. That's okay. And align again. 1 with the second one. Align the first one with the second one. Align the first one with the second one, and that's okay. And the last thing I do is after your plumbing fixtures are in, be sure to lock them in place, because they will move accidentally. They will move accidentally. So be sure to pin them, okay? And I don't want to take up too much time trying to figure out why this, the gas, the water heater will not come in. Let's try it again. And let's try a different place on face, place on work plane. Nope, 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 nope. I can look and see. Let me see. Type PL. Plumbing equipment, it would be plumbing equipment. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look at that. Okay. All right. So no piping in this. It's still set up. Everything is still black and white. This is still a fun project. I like doing it. It's a lot. It's a lot because there are so many of these. Let's go back to parking water. So if you can see, look at all of these pipes. Each one of these lines represent 2 pipes, one below and one above, just like this. Okay, they're going up to each floor. Let me tighten this one up again. Nope. Let me get in a little closer. Okay, so each one of these lines, you see, they're going out to this way, they're going out that way. And so it's a lot, but it's okay. This is just part of the process, and it's gonna be a lot of views and plumbing, and probably a lot of duplications too, because from what I've seen in the project, that once I get, where was it, two? See, here's another reason why you want to use, so I can just say L2, and that's the architect's floor plan. Or was it 4? L4. L4. Now I can go right to my project that I was working on earlier. And you see Revit goes to the floor plans. But if I want to go to washer, coin operated washer, or a family, let's go to a family. Let's go to a family. Where are they? Let's go to laboratory. Okay. So I'm up here. I'm going to say just LAV. LAV. Okay. And center, let's bring that in. Let's bring it in. Okay. So Revit doesn't do the families, it looks like. But once you highlight it, again, just choose the X. Okay. And Revit will go to it. So I think it's because of the subcategories. Okay, and the levels are not subcategories. I don't know. It's still a process of going through Revit. Okay, guys, I'm going to stop here, and I hope that helped. I will talk to you guys later.